Hey everyone, welcome back to PXP Outdoors and thank you for joining me on another adventure. If you've been following the channel, you know I've been slowly building my 2024 Ram Power Wagon into the ultimate overlanding camping and hunting rig. For those wondering, it's a Ram 2500 with a 6.5 foot bed, and today we're taking a big step forward with that build. In this video, we're installing the OPENROAD Aluminum Truck Cap and taking a look at the entire installation process from start to finish. I'll show you what's included, how everything goes together, and my first impressions along the way. So if you've been considering a truck cap for your own build, stick around and let's get this thing installed. Now that we've got everything unloaded, let's take a look at what's included with the OPENROAD truck cap. Right away, one thing I notice is that all of the major components come well protected. The panels are individually wrapped in bubble wrap and separated by foam mats to help prevent damage during shipping. Don't throw those foam mats away either. They're actually really useful during assembly because you can lay the panels and components on them while you're working to help protect the finish from scratches. Inside the smaller hardware box, you're going to find keys, mounting brackets, mounting bracket bolts, the M8 bolts and nuts used for the main body assembly, tape, and the bed cap seal that comes with M3 adhesive backing. Everything appears to be clearly organized and packaged, making it easy to identify the parts you'll need throughout the installation process. One thing I really liked about this installation was how few tools were actually required. For most of the install, all you need is a 10mm, a 13mm ratcheting wrench, and a 5mm Allen key. That's it. You don't need a shop full of specialty tools or any complicated equipment. The next step is installing the top plate and luggage racks. One thing to note is that the top plate is not symmetrical. It's wide in the front and narrow in the back. Before tightening anything down, make sure you have the panel oriented correctly. Once the top plate is in position, install the two luggage rack rails at each end of the top plate and align them with the factory mounting holes shown in the installation diagram. Depending on your specific model, you may also have gaskets that install beneath the top plate. These help properly secure and support the slide rails during assembly. If you're unsure about the placement of any components, OPENROAD provides a QR code in the installation manual that links to additional installation resources and model-specific instructions. Step 2. Install the left and right door frames on the top plate according to the corresponding screw holes. After the fixing base plate is installed, apply sealant to each screw and secure it using M6 nuts. Step 4. Align the front and rear door frames with the holes. Fix with M8 type screws and nuts. We also opted to use the waterproof sealant provided with the bed cap.
These are legit gloves.
Step 5. Install B-shaped rubber strips at the bottom of the cover, marked as blue in the diagram. Step 6. Glue and seal the splicing part of the main body of the product on the exterior of the cap. Next, clean your bed rails. We use isopropyl alcohol. Step 7. Grab a friend and fix the cap on the bed carefully. Center the cap on the bed. Then use the buckle brackets to secure the cap to the bed. One thing the installation instructions recommended is tapping into the factory brake light wiring in order to connect the bed cap's third brake light. After doing some research on the 2024 Ram Power Wagon, we found a much easier solution. Behind the spare tire, Ram provides a factory wiring harness specifically designed for accessories like truck caps and third brake lights. On our truck, the wire we needed was an exposed white wire with purple stripes. Using this factory-provided wire eliminated the need to identify and splice into the brake light wiring itself, making the installation much simpler and cleaner. If you're installing a bed cap on a 2024 Power Wagon, this is definitely something worth looking into before you start pulling apart taillights and tracing wires. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this OPENROAD bed cap. The construction feels solid, everything fit together well, and the installation process was straightforward and easy to follow. If you're looking for an affordable bed cap that still offers great quality and functionality, this is definitely one worth considering. If you have any questions about the bed cap itself, the installation process, or how it's holding up on my 2024 Ram Power Wagon, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly through PXP Outdoors. I'd be happy to help and share what I've learned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.